I'm just about to show you the warm-up of the upper trapezius done in a sideline position. Client is close to the edge of the table and you are holding the arm of your client. The trapezius is a muscle that tends to develop lots of tension and it wants to kind of move forward all the time. So keep this in mind when you're warming up. So you want to bring the trap posteriorly to give the relief in the neck. So the trapezius muscle connects to the neck and the shoulders, so it's important to include both into your warm-up. Can I invite you to tuck your chin in a little bit? There we go. Tucking the chin in brings the muscle to the surface and makes it more accessible for you, the therapist. Include the top of the shoulder, move the muscle back, grab onto the edge, and finish gently in the back of the neck with a nice pull. You see the alignment of the thumb with the radius? It's always in a straight line, so keep that in mind when you work this muscle using your thumb. Look at the nice mobility. Really include that in your massage so your clients will quite enjoy that.